Piper 71 Romeo on departure, fly, Citizen heading 280, Nellis departure frequency 135.1, squawk 7664.
After departure is just heading 280, contact Nellis 135.1, squawk 7664, 71 Romeo.
Piper 71 Romeo, read back is correct, have a great flight.
I'll have you latch the door for now, so perfect. Alright, run up checklist, nose go straight, throttle at 1,000, brakes set, belts fastened, seatbelt secure, cabin doors locked, secure, flight controls free and correct, left, right, back. This will be maybe a left turnout or maybe right turnout to 280. Then we'll contact Nellis. Do you feel good?
Yep.
Alright, cool.
Back for 910.
910, running 1 left, taxi via Kilo Delta Alpha.
North Las Vegas Tower, Cherokee 4071 Romeo, holding short 7 at Golf.
Number 4071 Romeo, North Las Vegas Tower, running 1 right, taxi via Golf, cross runway 7.
Runway 12 right, taxi via Golf, cross runway 7, 71 Romeo.
I'll text my mom that we're on our way.
Yep, so if we leave at 12:15, we should be there at around 2:40. We'll be ready.
November 71 Romeo, running 1 right, clear for takeoff, right turn approved, wind 230.5.
Runway 12 right, cleared for takeoff, right turn approved, 71 Romeo. So, lights, camera, action, fuel pump.
November 8 Echo, running 12 left.
Alright, are you ready?
Via...
Awesome. Let's go.
8 Echo, running 12 left, taxi via Kilo Delta Alpha.
12 left, Kilo Delta Alpha, 8 Echo.
Power's full. Gauges are green. Airspeed is 60, 65. There's 80. On accelerate to 90.
November 71 Romeo, contact Nellis departure.
Contact Nellis departure, thank you, 71 Romeo. Nellis departure, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is just off North Las Vegas, 3,400 climbing.
4071 Romeo, Nellis approach, verify 1 mile south of North Las Vegas, northwestbound.
Affirmative, 1 mile south, North Las Vegas, northwestbound, 71 Romeo.
Number 71 Romeo, radar contact and remain clear of Las Vegas Class Bravo airspace.
Remain clear of Bravo, 71 Romeo. I have to stay below 45.
Number 1 Romeo, correction, November 71 Romeo traffic, 7 o'clock, 8 miles, a PC-12, 7,100 visual approach in the North Las Vegas.
Searching for traffic, 71 Romeo. So, mixture's good, gauges are green, lights are on, flaps are up, fuel pump is off, fuel tank is left main for the first portion of our flight.
Number 71 Romeo, say altitude climbing to?
Climb to 10,500, 71 Romeo.
Number 71 Romeo, resume on navigation and VFR altitude, your discretion.
Oh, navigation, VFR altitude, my discretion, 71 Romeo. Alright, dope.
What was the thing that you were saying we had to stay below 4,800 feet?
Contact tower, look channel 4.
So I'm talking to Nellis, the airbase that's to the right of us.
Okay.
They and McCarran, the busy airport you flew into, they share airspace. And it's busy airspace, I have to get permission to fly through it. And today, they must be busy because they said remain clear of it. Now we're clear of that airspace. Those blue rings. See the blue rings?
1 radar contact over the racetrack, verify passing 2,400 and say VFR altitude climbing 2.
Cool. So yeah.
Oh my god. So pretty.
Lake Tahoe traffic, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is 10 miles northeast at 9,300, descending will be straight in runway 18, Lake Tahoe traffic. So it is a little windy, it's a little gusty. At the airport, but that's okay. Nothing we can't handle.
Oh, we're looking at the backside of Heavenly. All the trails.
Is this the backside or the front side?
The backside.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the front side you can see. Look back, you'll see the gondola that goes up.
Oh, dang.
Where is the airport?
You'll see it. Lake Tahoe traffic, Cherokee 71 Romeo 6.5 northeast at 8,000 will be a long straight in for runway 18, Lake Tahoe.
Altimeter 3027. Remarks. Density altitude 8,900. Lake Tahoe Airport. Automated weather observation 2132 Zulu. Wind variable at 05, gusts 20.
That's pretty sketchy.
What?
The winds, it says variable at 5 knots, like the direction is random at 5 knots, gust 20 knots. That's okay. What we'll do is we'll just come in a little faster in case we suddenly get a tailwind. And then Camp Richardson should be that straight ahead.
Yep.
Cool. Alright, so gas, undercarriage, mixture, power, brakes, landing light, engine gauges, and seatbelts. You have your seatbelt on?
Yep. Camp Rich is the marina out there. You can see all the boats out there. Over there.
Oh. Oh, yeah, I see it, I see it.
All the Tahoe Key is.
Damn. Lake Tahoe traffic, Cherokee 71 Romeo is on a 3-mile final, runway 18, Lake Tahoe.
Lake Tahoe Airport. Automated weather observation 2134 Zulu. Wind missing. Sky conditions clear.
What?
Temperature.
Wind missing.
I heard that. What was...
2.06 Celsius.
Alright.
What does that mean?
I don't even know.
Remarks. Density altitude 8,900.
That means we're just going to be careful on this approach.
I trust you, Tucker.
10.
Lake Tahoe traffic, Cherokee 71 Romeo is short final, runway 18, Lake Tahoe. That's why there's a windsock.
Nice job.
Clear.
Thank you. God, that's so messed up. Wind missing.
You did a really good job, though. That was a very smooth landing. Especially
Thank
given
you.
how windy it was.
Thank you very much. Alright. So, let's get on the Unicom.
Cherokee entering the ramp. Are you going to be with us overnight?
Yep, hoping to go to Mountain West.
Copy. You'll see a line tech out there to park you. And do you have any transportation with us today?
Well, we have transportation. Thanks. Lake Tahoe traffic, Cherokee 71 is clear, runway 18, Lake Tahoe. There's Mountain
You're
West.
at all, or are you alright?
No, I was a little higher stressed that where they said that the wind is variable, gusting to 20 knots, like, meaning it can change direction. You always want to land into the wind. And then if the wind suddenly goes behind you, you lose that relative speed, so then you can drop.
So Cherokee, we're going to have to push you back into the spot right here.
That's perfect. Good function. So it was 2.5 hours total.